Don't freak out. I'm dropping 6 patterns over the course of the next 6 weeks.
We're starting off strong with the pillowcase. You're going to need a hook. I chose a 5mm. I also chose 2 different colors of yarn, soft ecru and hot green, as well as some stitch markers. We'll be working in round for this tutorial. So first, let's start with a slip stitch, and you'll see the tutorial on the screen. Next, we're going to chain 4. That'll count as our first double crochet as well as our center. Going to yarn over, insert our hook into the center, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You can add a stitch marker to the top of your chain 4 if you feel like this will help you remember where your beginning starts. We're going to continue to double crochet into that center for a total of 3 double crochets. Then we'll chain 1 and insert another 3 double crochets, and those will be our clusters. We'll have a total of 4 clusters as we make our way around. We're going to remove the stitch marker that helped us figure out where our beginning is. Next, we're going to slip stitch our new color. So we're going to take that yarn, we're going to yarn over, we're going to pull it through the top of the double crochet, and we're going to pull it through our working loop. We're going to chain 3 and then double crochet into the next corner space. We will create a total of 8 clusters. We're going to work 1 cluster, a chain space, work another cluster. When you're working into the next corner, there is no chain space. We're going to slip stitch our color again. I did not cut color A. I'm now going to yarn over, slip it through the top of the double crochet, and then slip it through the working loop. I will chain 3, and for the third round we're going to work into the center chain space. Again, place that stitch marker if you feel like you need it. We'll insert 2 more double crochets, no chain, and then work a double crochet directly into the next corner space. And we're going to continue that all the way around. The last and final part of the pillowcase is to insert a stitch marker into a corner of your choosing. Count 17 to the right. Insert another stitch marker. We're going to find the corner opposite that. Place a stitch marker in the corner. Count 17 to the left and place a stitch marker, and we'll do that for both panels. If you want to check to make sure your pillow will fit inside, please do so before stitching it up. After that, you're going to slip stitch the panels together, working clockwise. Going to insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through the loop. Again, we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through the loop. This is what that seam will look like if you use the same color. And that's it. You finished your crochet pillowcase. Can't wait to see what you guys make.